the filing fees. So USCIS has announced that they have changed the filing fees and the increase is phenomenal. Hello Royals, welcome once again to my channel. My name is Sheila, but you can call me Queen Sheila. I've been getting a lot of questions about what the filing fee is for the N400, that is the naturalization or citizenship application, what the fees is, and then what document you need to attach. Now, I am in no way, shape, or form saying that the list of documents that I'm going to give in this video is the end of the list. This is one thing that we need to understand when you're applying for immigration or anything to deal with application. So with application, be it your green card application, be it your citizenship application, the onus or the burden is on you to prove that your marriage is bona fide, or the situation for which you're applying for, whatever the situation is true. Because think about it this way: when you first apply for a green card, for any form of application or for any form of visa, the person interviewing you, the officer, does not know you. So it is your time to show them, to add documentation, to prove and tell them that when I tell you that my name is Sheila, I have proof and I have everything to back that. The same way with the green card and the naturalization, you were telling them that this marriage is genuine. The person who did your green card interview is not the same person doing your naturalization interview. So you cannot say that, oh, I already attached stuff in the green card, it should be fine. No, there is nothing as too much documentation when it comes to proving a bona fide marriage or a bona fide relationship. So for me, I attached everything. Literally, I attached it like I was applying for a green card all together. When I say everything, birth certificate, marriage license, marriage certificate, pictures of us together before the marriage, after the marriage, before kids, after kids, my pregnancy pictures, my hospital pictures, pictures to show that my husband was there when the baby was born, pictures to show how big I was, how ugly I was. I couldn't have enough pictures to show everything that we had done together as a family that I had pictures of. I attached every single picture to it. I attached my taxes. So my husband and I had filed taxes together the entire year. My husband and I had been filing our taxes together the whole time we had been married. So when I was applying for my N400, which is my naturalization or American citizenship, I added all of that tax returns to it. The list does not end, and I'm going to put all these lists of the documents that I attached in the description box, and also I'm going to put a link to USCIS in the description box that tells you some of the documents that you can attach to it. And also they tell you that it's not the end of it, the list that they've given you. So I attached what birth certificate, I attached the home that we bought, everything that you have done together as a family, renting, buying a car, whatever you've bought, make sure you attach it to it. I've also had questions where people ask me, I was unemployed, do I state that? Yes, because there is going to be a gap. So you said you've been here from 2000 to 2005, but you've only worked from 2004 to 2005. Obviously, there is a reason. If you had kids, hence the reason you could not work, put that in there. Unemployed, stay at home mom. If your spouse wanted you to stay home so that you take care of the house, you say stay at home mom or housewife, but you have to give a reason why you have been unemployed. Because if you leave it blank, it looks like, then where is your history for the past 4 years that they cannot find? They are not, and at least for what I know, I am not a lawyer. So, and then more specifically, I'm not an immigration lawyer, but I'm telling you what I did. More often than not, whatever you attach, if they don't need it, all they'll do is discard it. But it's better for you to have those documentations there for them to say they don't need it than not to have it there for them to say they want it. So again, if you've been divorced before, attach all those, every single thing. Anything to prove that you've still been in America. If you've traveled outside the country during the time you had your green card, your 2-year and your 10-year green card, state it over there. Mind you, you're going to take your passport over there for your interview and they're going to look at it. So make sure that you state all the times you've been outside the country and the reasons why you were outside the country. So go ahead and attach everything. If it was for medical reasons and you have those documentations to prove that a family member was sick, that's why you had to go and stay for more than 6 months or for a longer period, put all those documentations and attach it to your application. At least I attached everything that I could find my hand on. I left it to them to decide what they wanted and what they did not want. So again, I'm going to put that list in the description box. The filing fees. So USCIS has announced that they have changed the filing fees and the increase is phenomenal. I am going to be running the numbers with you right now. Do not panic. I'm going to be running the numbers with you right now. I'm going to run a few of the numbers with you right now, but I'm more so going to focus on the green card application, the 2-year and the 10-year green card, and the naturalization. Some of them I'll just put it in the description box so that if you need it, you can look at it. For the N400 application, which is the naturalization application, the time I applied, it was $640 from October the 2nd, and this new fees come into place October the 2nd. So if you have not applied, October the 2nd 2020, so if you have not applied from now till that time, it's a good time for you to apply because the old fees still apply, and they're also going to change the forms. Once they change the forms, I will do another video to show you how the new forms are filled out. But in the meantime, you have time to file from now till October the 2nd before the new fees come into play. The old fee for naturalization was $640 when you file online. Now the new fee for when you file online is $1,160. That is an 81% increase in price. When you do the paper filing where you mail it in, it also moved from $640 to $1,170. So take in mind, it's a $10 increase when you file it through paper or when you mail it to them. So if you file it online, you get to save $10. Alright, so what I'm going to do real quick is just run you through some of the few numbers. I'm just going to focus on the green card application fee. So the total fees for adjustment of status is actually, now they put it together as a bundle. So the I-485, I-765, and then I-131. Initially as the package, it was $1,225. Right now, as of October 2nd, that's when the new fees come into play, is going to be $2,270. That is an 85% increase. That is absolutely insane. And then the other one, the I-90 for the replacement of a green card, if you file online, initially it was $455. It actually saw 11% decrease to $405. And then if you file it paper, not online, it moved from $455 to $415, which saw a 9% decrease. So mostly some of them saw a decrease, some of them saw an increase, and I will put the link to these prices in the description box. So Royals, I hope this information was helpful. I hope that those of you who have been emailing me, I've been able to answer this question for you. If you have any more questions, please feel free to go ahead and comment. If you want to email me privately, shesworld74@gmail.com. If you want to follow me on Instagram, shesworld74. So please go ahead and follow me, ask me questions, and thank you so much for the videos. It's been doing absolutely well. I want to say stay safe and make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. And thank you to everyone who has been sharing my videos. I've been seeing a lot of people share my videos. I'm going to have to do a video to appreciate everyone for actually sharing it. Thank you so much. Please stay safe. Bye, and I'll see you when I see you. Bye, Royals.